Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to change folder icon. If you want to change your folder icon in your PC or laptop, then keep watching the complete video. I will show you a method through which you can easily change your folder icon. So here you can see that I have already changed my folder icon. So if you want to highlight your folder through different icons, you can apply and highlight your folder. So let's get started and let's learn how to change folder icon. So right click on your folder, then go to properties folder and then go to customize option. Here you can see that there is a change icon option. If I click on change icon option, then it will show me a lot of icons you can easily apply on your folder. So if I want to apply this computer icon on my folder, then I will select this icon first and click on OK button. By clicking on OK button, you can see that we can apply this icon on our desired folder. So let's apply and see what will be shown to us. So let's apply this icon on our folder. I will click on apply button and then OK. So here you can see that by using this method we can easily change folder icon. So if you highlight your folder, you can easily apply this kind of icons on your PC or laptop. So this is the simple and easy method from which you can easily highlight your desired folder by applying different icons on your folder. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys later. Bye.